In this video, I will show you how to fix all Windows update errors. This will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whenever you try to update Windows PC and it doesn't work, so this video will show you how to fix it. First, go to File Explorer, go to this PC, go to the C drive, go to Windows. Now look for Software Distribution folder. So this is the one. Click on it and then go to Downloads and then make sure to delete everything inside the downloads. And then once you delete it, you can exit. Actually, you have to go back here. So once you delete everything inside the downloads, go back one step and then delete everything inside the software distribution. So I'm going to select everything and then go ahead and delete it. And then just delete it. So once you delete everything from the software distribution folder, go ahead and close this window. Now we're going to open the troubleshooter. So type in troubleshoot settings. And then we have to go to, this is troubleshoot, click additional troubleshooter or other troubleshooter. Select Windows Update, run the troubleshooter. Just wait for it to finish. Now, once it's finished, it says it couldn't identify any problem. That's fine. You can go ahead and close it. We're going to open the command, so cmd, and then right click, run as administrator. I'm going to click yes, and then type in the following. So type in sfc space slash scan now. This will basically scan your entire computer and look for errors and fix it. Just wait for it to finish. Now, once it finished running, close the command prompt and then go ahead and type in the search run. So we're going to type in run and then type in the following services. So services dot msc and then click on OK. And then look for background intelligent transfer service and then double click on it. You want to set it to, make sure first you have to start it. So I'm going to click start. Then I'm going to go ahead and set it to automatic, click apply, click OK. Then we're going to scroll down, all the way down. We're looking for Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on it. Make sure it's started, set it to automatic, and then apply, click OK, and then you can go ahead and close this window. And then finally, go ahead and restart your computer. And then go, after you restart, go to Windows Updates and then check for updates. And you should be able to install any updates for your Windows 11 or your Windows 10. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.